dois, três e welcome to Brazil!
Hi guys, today I will be in Rio de Janeiro to show you one of a must-see attraction. Right between Ipanema and Copacabana Beach you will find a small peninsula called Arpoador Beach. This beach is located on the southern zone of the city and owes its name to the fact that whales were hunted here with harpoons in the past. The Portuguese word for harpoon means arpão. But today this beach has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world and it's known for its beauty. Arpoador Beach is also known to be one of the best surf spots in Rio de Janeiro. You also have a lot of opportunities to do sports. They have an outdoor gym made entirely of stone. And while you train, you can have a beautiful view of the sea. Brazilians are known to love football and that's why they play it everywhere, especially at Arpoador Beach. But if you ask me what I like most about Arpoador Beach, it's definitely the Arpoador Rock. The view from up there is just beautiful. The whole scenery at Arpoador Stone just looks amazing. The view is so breathtaking that people line up to take pictures. But the main reason why I highly recommend you to visit this place is the sunset that you can see from there. And this while you're drinking the most famous drink in Brazil, the caipirinha. This is the best place to watch the sunset, and local people know that. And that's why I recommend you to come early enough to find a nice spot to chill. And by the way, the best time to see the sun slowly gliding down the sky and vanishing behind the dark mountains is between November and February. That's what locals told me. And now I just be quiet and let you enjoy the beautiful sunset of Rio de Janeiro, or like the local call it, Rio de Janeiro. Thanks for watching the video, guys. You will see a lot more in the future. I will do interviews, walking videos and tour guide videos from all over the world. So stay tuned and support the channel so I can bring you better content. I appreciate every one of you.
I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel of Travel with Joe.